Hello everyone, Ashwini here. So now today we will discuss to write a program to short array using Quicksort. Okay, so first of all we discuss the Quicksort. What is Quicksort? Okay, Quicksort is a divide and conquer algorithm. It picks an element as pivot and partitions the given array around the pick pivot. There are many different variants of Quicksort that pick pivot is in a different ways. First, always pick first element as pivot. Always then next, always pick last element as pivot and pick a random element as pivot and pick median as a pivot. The key process in a Quicksort is partition method. The target of partition is given an array and an element x of array as pivot. Put x at its correct partition in shorted array and put all smaller elements small than x before x and put all greater elements greater than x after x. All this should be done in linear times. Okay, in partition algorithm there can be many ways to partitions. For the pseudocode adapts the method given in CLR's book. The logic is simple. We start from the leftmost element and keep track of index of smaller or equal to element as a I while traversing. If we find a smaller element, we swap current element with array I, otherwise we ignore a current element. Okay, then the with, first of all in this program, of the implementation of a Quicksort. The implementation of Quicksort, the first of all utility function to swap two elements. Okay, two elements, and then next is the function take a last element as pivot. Place the pivot element at its correct position in sorted arrow and place all smaller than pivot to left of pivot are and all greater element to right of pivot. Okay, then and then next index of smaller element. In these, the index of small element and indicate the right position of pivot found for so for. Okay, then next, if current element is smaller than the pivot. Okay, then next, increment index is a smaller element. Smaller element. Okay, and the main function that implemented Quicksort. Okay, the main function of implemented the Quicksort. And the pi is partitions index array p is now at a right place. Okay, then separately sort element before partitions and after partitions. Okay, partitions and then after partitions. Then function to print an array. This array what print array, this function to print an array. Okay, this code is contributed by Ashwini. Okay, this code is contributed by Ashwini. Okay, then next, in this code analysis of Quicksort, we discuss time taken by Quicksort in general can be written as follow: Tn equals to Tk plus Tn minus k minus 1 plus n. The first two terms are for to rescue call. The last term is for the partition process. K is the number of elements which are smaller than pivot, and the time taken by Quicksort depends upon the input array and partition strategy. The following the three cases: if for worst case, best case, and average case. Okay, The worst case occurs when the partition process always picks greatest or smallest element as pivot. If we consider above partition strategy, where last element is always picked as pivot, and the worst case will occur when the array is already shorted in increases or decreases order. Okay, the next best case. The best case occur when the partitions process always pick the middle element as pivot. Okay, then next average case. To do average case analysis, we need to consider all possible permutations of array and calculate time taken by every permutations, which doesn't look easy. We can get an idea of average case by considering the case when partition puts 0 of n upon 9 elements and in one set and O of 9n upon 10 element in other set. Okay, the solution of the rescue is also O n log n, although the worst case time complexity of quicksort is O of n, which is more than many other sorting algorithms like merge sort and heap sort. Quicksort is a fastest practice because its inner loop can be efficiently implemented on most architectures and in most real-world data. Quicksort can be implemented in different ways by changing the choice of pivot so that the worst case rarely occur for a given type of data. However, merge sort is generally considered better when data is huge and stored in external storage. Okay, so this is a quick shot.